What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some biscuit pizza, man. We're going to put the pizzazz in pizza, baby. But to do it, we got to get it started, buddy. So, let us begin. That's right, baby. Biscuit pizza. And you're saying to yourself, like I want. Biscuit pizza? What are you doing, man? Taking biscuits and making little pizzas like a bagel bite, man? No. This here is a bagel pizza, and we're going to use the biscuits to come together like the Beatles and make some dough, boy. And I ain't talking about no money. I'm talking about that good stuff. First thing that you gotta do, man, gotta get you some cans of biscuits, boy, and you gotta get them things open. Now, you know me, they scare the hell out of me, so I had to do it quick. Then, I want you to get a thing of foil and put it down on the bottom there. We're gonna put some butter on there and rub it in and sing to it, ooh, baby, I love you way. So, rub that butter in good, get it good and good. Now, go ahead and lay your biscuits down, and as you lay them down, I want you to kind of rub on them, spread them out, man. Give them a nice deep massage. Yeah, so once you get that done, it's time for the sauce, baby. And I ain't talking about me on no Friday night either. I'm talking about that traditional pasta sauce. You can get pizza sauce, but I couldn't find it, and you know me. I ain't gonna stand there and look around for it, man. So, and you know, you're saying to yourself, like, oh, couldn't I make my own pizza sauce at home? Well, I guess you could there, Emerald, but you know me. I ain't got time for that shit, so went ahead and got the jar today. Now, slap that sauce on there pretty good there, buddy. Spread it around, make it good. Now, like I said, you can put as much or as little as you want, me. I like it saucy, man. I like it delicioso. So, once we got the sauce on there, let's go ahead and make this thing as cheesy as a Hallmark movie, man. Spread that cheese on there. Heavy duty, buddy. Make it good. Now, next thing that we're going to need is some pepperoni, man. Just enough to make the Ninja Turtles happy because you know they love that pizza. So, we're going to put that on top of there, too. Looks good. Now, how about a little black olive, man, just for color? You're saying to yourself, black olive. I don't like black olive. Don't put it on there, you old dummy. Now, like Fred Sanford would tell you, big dummy. Now, put that black olive on there, and really you can put any kind of toppings you want on there. For me, this is what I had, this is what I'm doing. So, put the black olive on the top of that thing, put the black olive in, make me sing. Then, I'm going to take some green pepper that I had from the other night, cut it up, and throw it on top, just give it a little razzle-dazzle, man, kind of like them Harlem Globetrotters out there. So, once you got your razzle-dazzle in, we're going to turn our oven on to 350. Now today I'm using my roaster again because it's just easier to show you how to do it. But usually you just get you an old pan or a baking pan, something deep, baby. Because it's going to be kind of like the deep dish, baby. And you know me, I'm going deep like Patrick Mahomes tonight. So we're going to get that done. We're going to put that in there, turn this on 350. And you want to let you mix your shit for about, let you mix your shit. Don't let you mix your shit. Let it sit. Damn, let it sit for about 15-20 minutes or so and just check and make sure that it's golden brown and good. And you know, while you got this in there and you waiting on it, you can go smoke an old doobie and watch Terminator 2. Now, once you get, you get it all done, it's going to be good, baby. We're going to be ready for that sight, and we're going to be ready for that big old bite of this biscuit pizza tonight. You better watch your mouth, too, because now I got to go wash mine out with palm olive. I done made a boo-boo, man. Damn. Alright, baby, the time has come. The biscuit pizza is done, and I'm having that first bite for myself. Now, before we do, take a look at this thing, man. I told you it's got that deep dish. It's a deep dish. That crust is thicker than Cardi B, and you know how I feel about that. So, I'm ready for a big old bite. Cardi B, if you're out there, you know what? Ooh, steamy. And blow on it. Man, let me tell you something about that pizza. That crust is the bomb. It really gives it kind of a sweet little taste. It's the butter. It's the butter biscuit. That's a legitimately good crust. I mean, you would think on that biscuit, oh, those two don't go together. But it's just dough, man. Let me tell you what, I could sell that for some dough because that is good. So, I want to thank all of you good pizza eating flunkies for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. Now, you don't excuse the hell out of me. I'm about to go eat that whole pan myself before anybody else finds out about it because that's damn good. And cheap too, man. Easy to do, good to make, and yeah, what more can I say? I've said enough already, so I'll see y'all next time.